Hello, I am giving some example how you can work out for the different types of cross, and this is very important part of this chapter, inheritance and variation. In previous video I have shown you how you have to work out for the monohybrid cross and incomplete dominance. Here try to understand how you have to work out for the codominance. Suppose that blood group A marry with blood group O man, so what will happen? The genotype of blood group A will be what? There are two conditions, IA. Blood group A genotype IA, and blood group O genotype is I0. Second blood group A may be IA and I0. We have no idea about what is the genotype of blood group A. So what is the possible genotype of blood group A? IA and IA-I0. So what type of offspring will be formed? You have to work out. Again, you have to make checkboard for this purpose. So for this purpose again you have to make checkboard, and you have to write gamete for the woman IA and I0, for the man I0 and I0. That is the phenotype of offspring. In that case, what will be the phenotype of offspring? IA I0, I0 I0, IA I0, I0 I0. So there is chance of 50% blood group will be O and 50% blood group will be A. So thus there are so many questions are framed for this crossing. Second, again I am giving you some other example, like you see here other example. Like suppose that you are taking other example, blood group O marry with blood group AB. This is woman blood group and this is man blood group. So again you have to write genotype. For the blood group O, it will be I0. Genotype of the man blood group will be IA and IB. So what is the possibility of the offspring? Again you have to make checkboard. Write I0. Here IA, IB. So the possibility of the offspring will be IA I0, IA I0, IB I0, IB I0. What are you observing? The blood group will be possibility of offspring, blood group will be %50 blood group A and 50% chance of blood group will be B. So you have to make crossing for this, and you can find out what is the possibility of the next generation. And this is very important question. Now I am giving some example of monohybrid cross again. Suppose that if I am giving you that homozygous tall plant cross with heterozygous dwarf plant. So here we have to follow law of dominance. This is completely different from the law of incomplete dominance and law of codominance. So in that condition, homozygous tall plant, that means parent character. So when you draw a sketch for this, very calmly understand what is given in the question. Homozygous means जीन जो है आइडेंटिकल है, तो होमोजाइगस टॉल प्लांट का मतलब क्या हो गया, पेरेंट का जीनोटाइप टी होगा. ओके, तो जीनोटाइप क्या हो गया, टी. अब यहाँ पे दूसरा क्या, हेट्रोजाइगस, मतलब हेट्रोजाइगस नहीं होगा ड्वार्फ प्लांट, सॉरी हियर व्हाट यू हैव टू राइट हियर, सॉरी हियर होमोजाइगस हेट्रोजाइगस टॉल प्लांट होगा एक्चुअली. सो you have to write homozygous tall plant. तो cross with the homozygous tall plant means capital T and small t. So when you make checkboard, what will you get? Capital T, capital T, capital T, small t, T T, T T, capital T, small t, capital. 50% tall plant and 50% that is homozygous and 50% heterozygous, but all plants phenotypically tall. Okay, so here this is given about the only one character, so this is very easy to understand, but I am giving you other example, like if we have two types of seed, big and round seed. Yeah, you take example from the codominance again, because of we are studying here codominance. So blood group AB marry with blood group O अभी दे चुकी हूँ, B लिखती हूँ, ठीक है. Parents genotype at first we have to write, that will be for AB क्या हो गया, ब्लड ग्रुप AB के लिए पेरेंट का जीनोटाइप क्या होगा, IAIB. पेरेंट ब्लड ग्रुप B के लिए जीनोटाइप क्या होगा, IB हो सकता है, या IB I नॉट होगा. अब यहाँ पे चेक बोर्ड फिर हम बनाएंगे. यहाँ पे तो दो तरह के जीन हैं, IA और IB, बट यहाँ पे पॉसिबिलिटी 4 तरह की है, IB, IB, IB I नॉट। यहाँ पे 4 तरह की पॉसिबिलिटी है, लेकिन यहाँ पे आपको ये समझना है कि मे बी अगर यह ब्लड ग्रुप है, अगर जीनोटाइप ये है, तो व्हाट विल बी रिजल्ट वी गेट? IA IB, ब्लड ग्रुप AB, IA IB, IB 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 IB। अगर IB IB है जीनोटाइप, तो ऐसे केस में यहाँ पे 50% चांसेस ब्लड ग्रुप AB की है और 50% चांसेस ब्लड ग्रुप B की है। क्लियर? तो 50% AB होगा, 50% B होगा। अब आइए सेकंड कंडीशन की बात करें। अगर ब्लड ग्रुप IB और I नॉट है, तो इस केस में IA IB, IA I नॉट, IB IB, again IB I not will be produced. So in this condition, what are you noticing? Blood group AB, blood group A, blood group B, blood group B. So यहाँ पे आप गौर करें, बिल्कुल चेंज हो गया। अगर IB I नॉट है, उसकी शादी अगर ब्लड ग्रुप AB से होती है, ब्लड ग्रुप B वाले से, तो ब्लड ग्रुप AB भी प्रोड्यूस हो सकता है, A भी प्रोड्यूस हो सकता है और B भी प्रोड्यूस हो सकता है। तो दिस इज़ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग टू फाइंड आउट व्हाट इज़ द ब्लड ग्रुप ऑफ गिवन ऑफस्प्रिंग। एंड इन मोनोहाइब्रिड क्रॉस ऑल्सो देयर आर वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग like homozygous round seed cross with the heterozygous round seed cross with heterozygous round seed, क्या पॉसिबिलिटी होगी? फिर आपको लिखना है यहाँ पे गैमेटोफाइट, सॉरी genotype. At first we have to write genotype. Heterozygous round seed and homozygous round seed. For this we have to take this and cross with the heterozygous round seed. That means this will be feature. This will be for the wrinkled seed and this will be for the round seed. So now what is the possibility of the offspring? Again we have to write the gametes nature. Round seed, heterozygous round seed, heterozygous round seed. Just like that, you have to make different types of cross and understand how you will work out for the different types of cross. Thank you very much.